like
we may have tightened them down when we were at the shop, dude.
It doesn't feel like it. I'll get you off the ground.
All right, so Josh is driving Sabotage this weekend. Sal came over and made a few suggestions on shocks. So
Tighten them up. Make it more better.
we're gonna see where we're at. Sitting in second right now in truck. First time Josh has ever driven this thing. Sabotage C10. Currently the class leader in truck. Driven by Josh Kellar. Normally in that gorgeous black 67 Camaro.
.42.9.
Josh looking to improve on that 42.9. Sitting in first in truck class. First time having driven this vehicle. Yeah, 42.6.
With us, we're gonna have to figure out a new name for him because the bro vet, but he did a great job this weekend. John, and I'm not gonna butcher his name, in the GMC, as one of the sexiest GMC trucks out there. I've apparently got a problem with trucks these days. Scott, a new guy driving a freaking Tacoma, finished second with a 42.8, but with a 42.6, taking the win in the truck class. First time this weekend driving a truck, driving Sabotage. Josh, where are you? Yeah, baby. First time in a truck. Yeah, don't run, don't shake up your beer, man. Come on, you got it. That's a party foul. Nicely done. Nicely done. Man, that car swap really worked out for the two of you. I gotta say that.